Alright guys, facing incoming calls not showing problem on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to fix this issue. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and receive calls properly without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.